And breaking news coming this afternoon, BJP's ally Shiv Sena expected to contest from 40 seats in Delhi. The Sena daring the BJP in the national capital says will hurt the party's chances. Sena's Kashi Tiwari to contest from the New Delhi seat. Let's get a word from our executive editor Javed Ansari, who's with us on the phone line from New Delhi. Javed Ansari, interesting developments here. Shiv Sena saying that he'll contest some 40 seats in the national capital. But does the Maharashtra party have significant amount of presence in the state? Will it be able to cut into the BJP's prospects?
Well, it's certainly a case of they are certainly punching way above their weight as far as Delhi is concerned. Perhaps this is a maximalist position adopted by them because the last date of withdrawal is still some time away, and whether they contest all 40 or not remains to be seen. What I'm gathering from people is that perhaps they want the BJP to speak to them, and perhaps in a day or two the BJP will get in touch with them and persuade them from contesting, or at least contesting 40 seats.
Absolutely, Javed Ansari. Thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more interesting developments here. BJP's ally Shiv Sena says that it will challenge the party in the national capital as Delhi heads for polls on the 7th of February. The showdown for the capital is bringing in new contenders into the fray. The Shiv Sena has announced that it will contest the Delhi Assembly polls from 40 seats independently. The party has nominated leader Kashi Tiwari as its candidate for elections. The Sena believes that it is because of them that the BJP had a shortfall of 3 seats in the 2013 Delhi polls. More so, the Delhi party chief for the Sena, Om Dutt Sharma, has gone ahead to say that if the BJP wants to win in Delhi, it will have to take the Shiv Sena's help. MIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, meanwhile, has said that the party is not ready to contest from any seats in Delhi. The party wants to build a solid voter base before taking the plunge, said Owaisi.